Data may not come in one monolithic file or table for you to load. For example, a 5 million row dataset may be broken up into 5 separate datasets, each with 1 million rows. Usually, it's because it's easier to store and share data this way. Other times, you may have a new data file for each day. Time series data, such as stocks, may come in this format. No matter the reason, it's important for you to combine these data so you can either clean a single dataset or clean each dataset separately and then combine them later on, so you can run your analysis on a single dataset. I'm going to show you how we can concatenate data frames in this chapter. When we concatenate data, we can combine 2 data frames into a single data frame. Notice the row index labels in the data frames we want to concatenate. And notice the row index labels after we concatenate the data frames. They keep their original labels. We can concatenate data in pandas using the concat function. To concatenate our data, we pass concat a list of data frames. Here in this list are the 2 separate weather data frames. The result would be a single data frame with all of our data concatenated one on top of the other. You will notice that the row index labels of the final concatenated data frame keeps the original row index label. This will have consequences when you want to select rows based on the index label. If we selected all the rows where the row index is 0, we get multiple rows back. Here, I'm using the log slicing method to subset on the row index labels. In this case, the rows we get back represent all the maximum temperature values for a particular date. This may be a useful side effect, but you may want to have consecutive labeled row indexes. To do this, you need to reset the index label. You can reset the index label so they are all numbered sequentially by using the ignore index equals true parameter in the concat function. Here we have 2 data frames from a TV dataset. One contains the melted data frame. The other contains the parse column data that splits age group and sex. In the exercises, you will practice row-wise concatenation and also see how to concatenate column-wise.